Myself, Mrs. Sarika Ravindra Kedar. I am a science teacher in a SKD International School. Now I want to give my introduction because before that, before the 2 days, I am given the 5 videos in a YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is All Views in a One Glass Galaxy World. And now I want to give the explanation about me, who I am and what I am doing. That is why I will make this video today. I am a science teacher in the SKD International School and I am interested to teach the students the various things related to the science subject. Now today I am going to explain the EVS subject. The lesson name is soil. This is the first video which I have given to you. That is why I am writing here today the good thought. Don't judge any book by its cover. That means don't judge anyone just like a look towards them that how he is or how she will be there. There is not the correct thing. You have to decide how she will doing or how he is doing his work. Hard work if he or she will be doing, then you encourage to them. That is why I am writing the good thought that don't judge any book by its cover. Now my subject is EVS subject, environmental studies, and today I want to explain the lesson soil. In that, definition of the soil is it is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. All of you know the earth is spherical shape and it have that three of the layers. On that uppermost layer is called as the topsoil. Here I am writing the mind map. Mind map is also known as the flow chart and wave chart. The soil is divided into topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. What is the meaning of topsoil? Here the diagram is there. This is the topsoil. Look at here. This is the topsoil. This is uppermost layer and it is dark in color. This is dark in brown in color. And after that this is the subsoil and this is the bedrock. I give the explanation now on the topsoil. In the topsoil, that is called as the uppermost layer of the earth's surface. And after that it is a dark in color and it having the sand plus clay. It is a combination of addition of sand and clay. And after that, in that there is a humus. Then you think what is about the meaning of the humus? Humus means the collection of the addition of dead animals and dead plants. It is overall it is called as the humus. And after that it promotes the plant to growth. Here the plants are growth is carried out. That is why it is the topmost layer of the soil. After that, it is a subsoil. It is a middle layer of the earth's surface. It is lighter in color. It having the lighter color as compared to the topsoil. And after that, it is having the less humus as compared to the topsoil. After that, this is called as a bedrock. Here there are so many lots of big rocks are present. That is why it is called as a bedrock, and it is having the big and hard rocks. It not contain the much water because it is the bottommost layer of the earth's surface. That is why it is not contain there is much water, and therefore the topmost layer is very much important for the growing the plants. Now today I want to explain the soil. Soil it is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. It is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. In that they are divided into the three types. That means topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Topsoil is called as the uppermost layer which is dark in color and having the sand plus clay. And it is also having the humus. What is the meaning of humus? Humus means the dead animals and dead plants. And after that it promotes the plant to the growth. Okay. And then the second one is the subsoil. Here the subsoil is there. It is the middle layer of the earth's surface and it is having the lighter color as compared to the topmost layer. And it is having the less humus as compared to the topsoil. After that, bedrock is the third one layer of the earth's surface. It is the bottommost layer of the earth's surface. It is a big hard rocks contains. Not contain the much water. Because of that rocks, there is no clay is there. That is why it is having the less amount of water. Now I am giving the explanation of environmental studies, and daily I want to give the more and more information to my dear SKDS students also and another students also. Those those persons are subscribe my channel. I am very thankful to them, and also like my channel. I am also very glad to say that I am very thankful to them. Please support to me because I am new here in the YouTube channel. I am now started before the 2 days. I am starting my channel, and I think all of you give the whole support to me, and because of that I will give the more and more detailed information to my students and another students which don't knows to me. Thank you.